Hey guys, this is my first video on my new account since I made it into the clan B4YL, and this is my new challenge lobby that I will be hosting for B4YL members for free, and anybody that wants to pay, I'll take any price, and B4YL members, I ask for a donation, please. If it's PayPal, anything PayPal will get you a full lobby, you, all of your friends, and PlayStation, just you, because I don't really need PlayStation, but I'll take it. But here it is. This is the Bushigans. I will be changing it, editing my patch so if they DOSed them. I do give Bushigan all credit for this. I'm not taking it, but when I make it, I will still give him credit. I'm gonna edit it, give him credit, but that's just because I'm awesome. And mod menu. It takes a second for it to load. Here we go. Rank up to level 70. Kill streaks. Hey, it's a freaking nuke. Oh damn. I have it in. I'm on my jailbroken PS3. I just got this. I'm putting it online right after I make this video. I'm just in split screen so no faggots join. I really don't want any faggots in my lobby. And this is basically it. I just fucking killed myself. Look at that. And player menu. Here's the menu you'll be at. Never mind. Hey, this is the never mind. Hold on. This is the menu you will be at. Tall Glacier 130, receive accolades. There's 1,000 accolades for you. Set leaderboard moderate. Stat editor, here we go. Kills. Set it whatever the hell you want. Have as much fun with it as you can. So, let's see. I want a few million here. There's that. And then 7. Make it look a little realistic here, which we both know it is not. Here we go. There we go. Happy motherfucking Christmas. Prestige. I'm on 11th prestige. Never mind. It fucking lags out. The exact same thing as my other one. Just don't go 11th prestige. That's all I ask. I'll show you. Yeah, it cuts off part of the screen. I just realized that. Don't judge me for it. My co-host is B4YL Rules for B4YL members, and my regular co-host, which will be you, is iMaster. I'll put them both in the description. Please don't spam them. If you spam them, you get deranked and banned from my lobby, so it's your choice. Here's some cool shit. Anti-join. I love that. Zombies, motherfucker. Found that fucking bunker right there. I can turn game to rank. I can do just anything I want. And donate money. Since this is not mine, I'm just putting credits out there to shout out to Bushigan. Please read the bottom if you get my lobby. Since you can't see it, I'll read it to you. Welcome to Quarantine Chaos Zombie Mod version 1.0. Info. Press L2 and up to scroll through the shop menu. Zombies can break down doors. Originally converted by Bushigan. Donate to Vandal. I don't know what that says, so never mind. Something at live.com. I get human, fucking human. I love being human. I just now noticed that shit. Been in here before. Oh, I'm an alpha zombie. Look at that crap. Goodbye.